What's up, everybody? This is Chad Kalhagen. I'm making a follow-up video to my Coolpad Canvas review because there were a few things since it was my first phone review that I feel like I left out that I wanted to still talk about with this phone. The first thing would be what you're already watching. This is a test of the video cameras. Right now you're watching the front selfie video camera, and there's no image stabilization since this is a low budget device, so my shaky hands, I'm sure, are making it wobble a bit. Hopefully the focus is making up reasonably for that. And the next video you're going to be seeing the rear facing camera, and I got some footage of our rainbow crab, and his name is Caesar, so check that out. And then I'll be back with you shortly. Alright, here is my attempt at showing you an audio sample. So it's pretty loud. And once you put it down on the table, you can still hear pretty good, but obviously it is muted. So there's definitely a difference when you pick it up, but that's to be expected. I'm going to try to scroll through here a little bit, since on my review I know the screen just looked awful. See, and God, I don't have good cameras. So, I mean, there's really... this is definitely still not doing it justice, but it's a lot less washed out than it was. So, I mean, it's at least better than it looked before. And then here's the drop down, and get into the settings here so you can take a look. There we go. Yeah, this is still not doing it justice, like I said, but you're at least able to see what's on the screen now, where in my review it was pretty washed out, and as you can see, it Android 7.0 on here, Nougat. Alright, well, that's about it. I'm pretty sure I covered everything that I felt like I had forgotten to include in the initial review here, so just like I had mentioned before, if there's anything that you're curious about with this phone that I have not mentioned, or if you're having any problems with the phone and you want me to kind of flip through my settings to see if I could help you figure anything out, by all means hit me up and just leave me a comment in general. Let me know if you have the phone and if you like it, or if you're interested in getting the phone. And also, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.